Hey, what's going on, guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about the getters and setters in ES6. So we already talked about getters and setters earlier, and we defined that by the object defined property and using those thing. So those who don't know, just check this, you will understand. And what I'm gonna do is create a situation for that. So this is a situation where you have the first name and the last name and a function which whenever called, so your full name. So but if it's not a full name, if you want to change into what we call uh, normal property, it won't work dynamically. That's the problem with it. So if you want the dynamic mode and you don't want to do this, so you won't get this because I mean because it will say you will show your function what is inside. So that is a bit of a stretch, right? So how on earth we can do that with you saying that only the get. So we have getters without using the defining property. So it's made on the it's made on the top of the object defined property method. So whenever we do that, it will give you this. But there is a problem with it. We can't use full name as equals to something like uh, John Doe. We can't do this because it will directly give you a uncaught expected unidentified. So how are we gonna do that? Is that any way to do that? So as I talked earlier, it's the setter. So full name, and now we can change it whenever I or you want. So there is the good thing is about this is we can set and check the value what would be. That means if any value is falsy, value dot y something like falsy, we can check instantly, like if that is not a value. So uh, this is a way we can use that. And now we're gonna use something we're gonna use a constant which will just take it as p, and we're gonna use the array property, change into a array, the split method. So and what you split by, so just pass space. And what we're gonna do is this dot we're gonna change this by first name, value of first name to the equals to p dot 0, p dot 0, and uh, the index of the array, because it's already changed into an array, so this dot, so last name will be p equals 1. So that easy how it is. So our person dot full name works fine. And if we want to change into the full name to anything like person dot full name, I mean full name equals to something like John Doe. And if you want that, oh wait, oh, it's not a string, we need to change into a string, so John Doe, and we're done with that. So this is how easy it is in ES6. We do not need the mess to like type the object and define property and pass first, which lead you to many problems and lead you to any longs, so this makes our work easier. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.